The first squishy I got is this like marshmallow, and there's like a blue top on it. And I have no idea what is it, but I call it a marshmallow with a frosting on top, so yeah. It smells like marshmallows. And the second one is this. The ice fell out actually. Well, it's okay because it looks cute still, and yeah. It's so puffy. Once you squish it, it's like. And what? Okay. Now you got two pandas. This is my sister's. One of them is my sister's. This one is squishier. This one's not really squishy, but it's still squishy. And the next one is this macaroon. Squishy. And I got this donut, which looks real. It smells like chocolate. And it's really cute. And I got this weird banana. I just found it. I didn't really bought it. I just found it. So it's a stretchy and squishy. Ah! Okay. It's just squishy. So this is all the things. We have all of these. Macaroni. And this marshmallow, donut, and
hi.
And bread. So you got all of these.
Hello, everyone.